Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can easily change Steam game language in Steam. So let's start. The first thing, there are actually two ways how we can do it. The first way is when you're going to click on a game, go to properties. I'm going to open Counter-Strike Global Offensive and then just click here language. And you're going to see like here, select the language you wish to play this game in. And I have English, and you can change whatever language you want. And when you're going to click whatever language, you will have to also, the game will update. And now click on Steam, go to settings, and then just click on interface. And now you're going to see select the language you wish Steam to use. And you have English, and you can change it to whatever you want. So these are the two ways how we can do it and how you can change language in Steam. Thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.